Kuria is my name, and this is my work. It's a rubber installation from recycling tire and tubes from vehicles and bicycles and bikes, stuff like that.
So what's the inspiration behind your artworks, and how do you arrive at the concepts, like as an artist? Like when you start out to create an installation, what is in your mind at that point? Where do you derive your ideas and
I think it's more like a meditating session. It's more like it's an open-ended question, per se, if I can say that. It's because see, once you start binding the stuff, the rubber, anything is possible. Anything can come out of it. It's just layering, putting more layers and layers and layers. That's the whole idea about this. Layers and layers. I don't really have a clear idea or a vision I'm trying to portray or something. It's just putting more layers and seeing what comes out of it.
And how long would it take you to complete such a? I find like it's very big, such a big installation. Like how long would it take you?
It takes any number of days. If I have a clear vision of what I want, it'll take about a week.
Okay.
If I don't have, then it will take stages. I do it in stages. I finish it this bit here, then I move on to another work.
Okay. So I understand that you attended the very first edition of Nairobi Design Week, and now you're here exhibiting. So take us through the process of you being a participator and now being an exhibitor, and maybe since you've been there since from the onset, maybe you can tell us the growth that you've noticed from when they started until now that they are here.
I could say they're getting bigger because I think their vision is coming clear as they go. Maybe they had some idea of what it was about before, but the more they do it, the more they improve on it.
Yeah.
You have more exhibitors, you have more artists doing different stuff. Last year there were some graffiti artists. So it's been a process. I've tried to follow them over time, and that's why I chose to exhibit this, because I saw that they have grown their whatever they do.
Okay.
Say that, yeah.
What messages are you trying to send to the community through your art pieces?
Just be weird with whatever you create. Just think out of the box. Anything can work so long as you just give it time.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you mind telling me the meaning behind this art piece?
Specifically this one, it's called Shakahola. It's called Kitawaramba, the cult leader.
Okay.
Based on the Shakahola story. So the guy, like a monster, but he's a polite monster, you can say that.
Okay.
He's smiling, but he's fierce. That's the idea. I don't know. It's up to you to interpret.
Okay. And then where can people find you on a normal day? Like now you're at the Nairobi Design Week, but maybe say from tomorrow, if someone wants to view your artwork, where can we find you?
Studio.
Where is it located?
Udhiru.
Udhiru.
It's more of a private workshop.
Okay.
But it's open for visits.
Sawa. But you have an Instagram handle somewhere there?
Njogu Kuria.
Okay, sawa. Asante.